Profitable digital product ideas to sell online. Now let's turn our attention to some of the most profitable digital products you can sell online. These items have proven to yield high returns and are growing in demand. 1. Online courses. The online learning industry is expected to be worth over $300 billion by 2025, and for good reason. Online courses have risen in demand in the last few years, especially in response to the outbreak of COVID-19. This already growing industry suddenly saw thousands of new users joining online learning platforms, and course creators responded in kind. This makes it one of the most profitable digital products to sell. Courses can be delivered in text, audio, video format, or a combination of all three. The choice is yours to make. With numerous free or inexpensive software options available to make course creation easier, it doesn't require hours of work to get started. 2. Ebooks. Nothing beats the smell of a new book, except maybe instant delivery. Ebooks have grown in popularity because of the convenience they offer. Not only do consumers get immediate access after purchase, but they're also able to store even more reading material without worrying about clutter. Ebooks are also extremely easy to tote around, which adds to their appeal. Most authors are now keen to include an ebook option to their physical books or make their content exclusively available in ebook format. It saves thousands in printing costs, and with self-publishing now being a viable option, ebooks are much easier to produce than their physical counterparts. 3. PDF downloads. Yes, you can sell PDFs. In fact, due to how versatile they are and their compatibility with almost all devices, PDFs are a great option for new sellers. You might be thinking only of text documents like essays, but some popular PDF downloads include home management checklists, activity sheets for kids, daily planners, PowerPoint presentations, resume templates, digital invitations. These items are easy to create and can appeal to a wide audience or be created for a narrow niche. PDFs can be bundled based on a theme or sold individually. You can even offer customers the option to create their own bundles at a discounted cost. 4. Membership sites. Membership sites are subscription-based platforms that give members access to exclusive content. They are usually educational in nature, and there is an expectation that new content will be shared on a regular basis. The main benefit to this type of digital product is that you are guaranteed a consistent income. Subscription plans are typically offered on a monthly, quarterly, or annual basis, though there are sites that offer lifetime memberships at a higher cost. 5. Digital templates. Digital templates differ from PDF templates/downloads in that they are meant to be used solely in a digital format. These types of content include social media posts, web banners, email banners, and digital ads. They require more technical skills than most forms of digital products, as you need to have an understanding of design concepts and ensure compatibility with various platforms and editing software. This product has the bonus of being a great way to launch your design service, as you can offer personalization to drive sales. 6. Software. Making software from scratch can be expensive and time-consuming, which is why this is a great product to capitalize on. If you have a background in coding, you can start in no time. You can create software that users can customize based on their specific needs. For you, it's a one-time investment that you can sell numerous times, and they'll have the benefit of a comparatively less expensive software. Some sellers offer the option to own the source code for an additional cost so developers can do more customizations, while others offer more restricted access. The software can consist of website plugins, mobile apps, web apps, or even video games. 7. Mobile apps. While these technically fall under the category of software, mobile apps can be a profitable niche all on their own. There are numerous types to choose from, time management to fitness to reminders and games. You can add your personal touch to make your apps stand out or include features that other developers might not have considered. For instance, You can create a time management app specifically for neurodivergent users who tend to require a different approach than neurotypical users. 8. Video and stock footage. Content is king and content is pricey. Sites like Shutterstock and Pixels exist for exactly this reason. They offer content creators an inexpensive way to create personalized and diverse content without spending hours or thousands on shoots. Turn your videography skills into your passive source of income. Out for a hike? Get a time-lapse of the scenery. Watching fireworks? Capture a few minutes of it. Think of the most common moments depicted in digital content and start there. If you want to protect your intellectual property, you can offer restricted usage so users can't resell your unedited content. 9. Music and audio. In the same vein of stock photos and videos, you can create generic sound effects or music that can be added to video content to add an extra bit of pizzazz. There are popular sounds you can focus on, like the sound of a stream, the rain, a noisy cafe, a doctor's office. These are sounds widely used in digital content that content creators might not always easily be able to capture themselves. Your audio content can also be audiobooks. Audible is a booming platform, but even that has its limitations. Find your niche, look at what they're missing, and find a way to fill that demand. 10. Stock photography. If you have a smartphone with a great camera or camera equipment and an eye for photography, you're well on your way to getting into stock photography. Similar to stock videography, you want to think about the images most frequently used by your target market. Then focus your attention on those that might be hard to capture without planning an expensive shoot. Sunsets, snowy landscapes, gorgeous food shots, popular events like Mardi Gras or caroling services, these are always in high demand, especially by digital marketers. 11. Web-based applications, SaaS. Unlike software that is installed on devices, web-based applications run directly in your browser. With these applications, users pay a regular subscription fee to retain access rather than make a one-time purchase. Examples of web-based apps are Google Drive, Spotify, MailChimp, or Asana. You can develop new ones or create plugins that enhance existing applications. Over time, you can offer additional features to make the subscription more appealing to offer different tiers with unique features at each price point. 12. Graphics and digital art. Graphics and digital art are in high demand because they are the centerpiece of most content. Entrepreneurs and business owners who want to establish a brand identity but who might not be able to afford to hire a dedicated graphic designer typically invest in graphic art bundles. Logos, brand kits, fonts, icons, these can all be created in just about any editing software. Whether you provide done-for-you artwork or editable templates, this is a lucrative niche. If you're an artist, this website has a great guide on getting started selling your art online. 13. Online services. Google Docs, Skype, Time Doctor, Grammarly, all examples of online services that are in high demand. Remote work has increased the need for time management and co-working tools. While it is a competitive market, there is always room for more innovative services that cater to specific niches. There are various categories to get into: educational, financial, e-commerce, and networking. With an area like this one, the key thing is to lead with research to ensure you understand your market's needs before creating the services. This will give you an idea of how worthwhile it is, how long it might take to get off the ground, and the ideal pricing structure to use.